Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Revolut, a popular fintech app that offers a variety of banking and financial services. I've been using Revolut for a while now, and I've found it to be a really useful tool for managing my money. However, I've noticed that there's a lot of confusion about whether or not Revolut works in Africa. So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, does Revolut work in Africa? And if so, how does it work? Before I get into the details of how Revolut works in Africa, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech app that offers a variety of banking and financial services, including a free multi-currency account that allows you to hold and spend money in over 150 currencies, a debit card that you can use to make purchases online and in person, the ability to send and receive money to friends and family, both domestically and internationally, a variety of investment products, such as stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Revolut is a great option for people who travel a lot or who do business internationally. It's also a good choice for people who want to save money on foreign exchange fees. Now, let's get back to the question, does Revolut work in Africa? The answer is yes, Revolut does work in Africa. However, there are a few things you need to know before you sign up for an account. First, Revolut is not available in all African countries. Currently, Revolut is available in the following countries: South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Egypt, Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, Angola, Botswana, Burundi, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Comoros, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Republic of Côte d'Ivoire, Djibouti, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Eswatini, Ethiopia, Gabon, Gambia, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Kenya, Lesotho, Liberia, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, Mauritius, Mozambique, Namibia, Niger, Rwanda, São Tomé and Príncipe, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Somalia, South Sudan, Sudan, Tanzania, Togo, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe. If you live in one of these countries, you can sign up for a Revolut account. Second, there are some restrictions on how you can use Revolut in Africa. For example, you can't use your Revolut card to withdraw cash from ATMs in Africa. You also can't use Revolut to make international transfers to or from African countries. However, you can use Revolut to make online purchases and to send and receive money to friends and family in Africa. You can also use Revolut to convert your money into local currency. Third, Revolut charges a fee for using its services in Africa. The fees vary depending on the service you're using. Now that you know the basics of how Revolut works in Africa, let's take a closer look at some of the specific features that Revolut offers. One of the most useful features of Revolut is its ability to hold and spend money in multiple currencies. This is great for people who travel a lot or who do business internationally. Revolut also offers a variety of investment products, such as stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. This allows you to grow your money over time. Another great feature of Revolut is its ability to send and receive money to friends and family, both domestically and internationally. This is a great way to stay connected with your loved ones, no matter where they are in the world. Overall, Revolut is a great option for people who live in Africa and who want a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. So, there you have it. Revolut does work in Africa, but there are a few things you need to know before you sign up for an account. If you're considering using Revolut in Africa, I recommend doing some research to make sure that it's the right choice for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.